it is very like well-known application of the LSTM. It used like to classify the text, but the text is different from the one that we did before, right? For the one that we did before is it is a number, but if you want to classify the text, this one is very good example, and you can try it. The data is like this. We have the message in the CSV file, and this is the word that I've already tokenized for you. There are three groups of class, that is CH3 Thailand and Pan Promotion and Echan uh, 2016. So there are three classes, but we would like to see the classification result. At first, I have to read the data, text data.csv, so you can download using the first cell. Once you download it, I just show you the class. There are three classes: the Pan Promotion, the CH3 Thailand, and Echan. Um, so we have to find there are this one. Okay, so we have to find the word length to like to find the maximum of the length of each word. So I have to split them first to check the length of the word, and then um, I drop everything that is null. So from our pandas, I sort the values of the word length. So you can see that the longest one is 355 one. So from 355, it means that I try to patch, I try to add the the null or zero into our sequence to make every sentence or every pause has the same or has equal length, that is 355. So let's see our result here. There are a lot of things, so no worry about that. I've used the maximum of the word to be 2500. This one will be the word in our vocabulary that I will use the different 200 and 2500 words, and the max sequence is the one that we had in the data 355, and embedding dimension is 100. No worry about this. I'll talk about this later. We start with the tokenizer from the preprocessing.txt in Keras that try to tokenize and filter something out. So our word will be processed using fit on text for df.messages.values, and we can get the word index and store it in word index here. And finally, after you set it, you can tokenize the words. That is df.message.values is the list. Look at this. This is the list of the data. So and convert into an array. So I think you can see here is the each message. Okay, so this one is the df.message.values. This is the first one, and then after you convert it into the word index. So for example, this is the word. The first word can be converted to the word index number 55. So you can see that if you have the word like this, this is a word and this is a word index. So for example, this word will be converted using the index that is 55. Okay. Oh, sorry, 52. So you can see that the word number 52 is here. This one. This one. This is the word number 52. So this one is 2129. So you can see that for the word, for this word, it will be converted into the number like this. So we have no more string. Okay, so once you convert this already, you have to pad the sequence. You have to add 0 because we have the longest to be 555. So for other words, for other sentence or other post that is shorter than that, you have to pad using in this case I pad using 0. Can you see we have a lot of 0 in front of the your actual sentence, so your actual sentence will be moved to the right. And then I convert the values of the class into 3 values, that is using the get dummy one. Okay, so and then use train test split using 10% to be the test one. So this is your data. So this is we have 4,098 sentences, and there are 355 input. Okay, so I add this one. This is our structure, same as our previous example, but this time in the first layer you must embed the word or convert this number into another vector, another space using the word embedding techniques. So one word will be converted into like many uh, like many elements. Okay, so the second one you can drop it out like 0.2 and add LSTM, add the dense, but this time this is the output. But guys, there are 3 classes, so we use 3 nodes. Each node represents each class, but the activation function must be the softmax one. The softmax one is like which one is the highest, it will be chosen, and you can think that that is for the output is for that class. For the loss function, you have to use categorical cross entropy, uh, not the loss like mean square error anymore, because this time we use the categorical, the class into 3 classes. Yeah, optimizer can be Adams, and the metrics that we will use later use the accuracy. This time we traded like there are a lot of data and like so many of them, so it may take very long time. So I use just only 5 epochs. And this one is the line of the model evaluation using X test and Y test. So this is the result that is the easier to get these values, 98%. To test the new data, you have to put it in a list of string that is already tokenized, and then you have to tokenize using this one, because you have to convert it into the numbers also, and you have to pad them and then use model.predict, and this is the output. So you can see that for the first sentence, this is the highest is in the first node, and the second sentence is in the last node. The first node, according to the get dummy one, it will be the CH3 Thailand. This one is for Ijan, this is for Pan Promotion. So you can see that we can like high confidence level to classify them into the CH3 Thailand, and this one is for Pan Promotion. So I hope that you can get the idea, and I hope that you can apply these techniques into our new problems.